Hello, my name is Simon, and today I will be showing you how you can connect your Veeqo platform to AdLister. Veeqo is one of the many platforms we integrate with, and it's mainly an order management and stock control platform. The way you'd be integrating with Veeqo is a pretty easy and simple process, in which I'll be giving you a walkthrough. We will be using our test store for this tutorial. Now, once you have logged into your AdLister, all you have to do is navigate to the Platforms tab and click on it. The page will load up with all the available platforms in your store. Next, click on Add Platform, select the Veeqo platform, then give it a name. Once you have created the platform, all you need to do is attach the API access key, which will create a connection between AdLister and Veeqo. You can find the access key by logging into your Veeqo account. So let's go into Veeqo and I will show you where you can find the access key. Once you have logged into Veeqo, you will have to hover over the gear icon, which will open up a drop-down menu. In the drop-down, you will have to go to Users. In here, you can choose one of the existing users and/or create a new user. We already have some users on this account, so we'll be using one of the existing ones. Now, all you would have to do is click on the pencil icon under the Actions column, which will open up the account info for that user. And as you scroll down, you will see a section that says API key. You will have to copy this key and paste it into the access key field in AdLister. Once you have the API access key and have copied it over to AdLister, all you have to do is save the platform with the added access key, which will take you back to your platforms page. Then you would reopen the newly created Veeqo platform and click on Get Products. Once the connection is established successfully, AdLister will then import all your products from Veeqo. It might take around 15 to 30 minutes for the products to be imported over, and once they are on AdLister, you can view them by going to your products page. Once you are on the products page, you also have the ability to post products to Veeqo by following these steps. Select the product that you wish to post, then go to the Platform Actions tab, and in the drop-down, select Post to Veeqo. And again, in 15 to 30 minutes, your product should be available on your Veeqo. Those would be all the steps you'd have to take to connect your Veeqo to AdLister, and also to post to Veeqo from AdLister. Pretty simple to set it up, as I previously mentioned, but if you do end up having difficulty setting it up, our support team is available to assist you if need be. Thank you for watching. I hope the video was useful and easy to understand, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Goodbye!